For tonight, let me
I'm
just
sorry.
officially officially welcome you. So everyone, welcome to our Atomy Beautiful Center weekly meeting. So every Tuesday, we are gathering to learn more information about Atomy, about our products, about our system, and of course to motivate each other. For tonight, I will be sharing with you the benefits of Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask, and later I will be showing to you how convenient it is to shop with us through our Atomy Europe online shopping mall. Let us start. So, as I've said, yes, 24K gold night mask. What is that actually? So, imagine waking up to the skin that feels rested, renewed, and luminous even after a long day. So, tonight we're going to explore a skincare solution that works while you sleep to deliver just that. The Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. Let's dive into how it transforms your overnight routine and supports brighter, firmer skin by the morning. So for those who has tried this one, I know you could agree with me after using the Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask in the evening while you're sleeping. The next morning, when you wash your skin feels brighter, smoother, and the smell is also very good. So, I will begin by highlighting the core message of this product: strengthening the skin barrier and improving texture and brightening tone. These are the three most important indicators of healthy, youthful looking skin, and this mask targets all of them at once. So you see, in just one pot of 24K gold night mask, it already targets three things on your skin. This is exactly what your skin wants, right? So our skin needs change daily because of what? Weather, climate, hormones. Most of the time we are stressed, and even the places we go, the environment, the wind that comes to our skin. Yet most of us don't adjust our routine to match those changes, right? Because we are so busy in our everyday life. So we actually forget, okay, how could I actually take care of my skin properly? So I would like to introduce to you the new addition in our Atomy Europe shopping mall, which is the Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. This mask is designed to be a complete nightly care solution, which contains real 24K gold and Atomy's premium Absolute Cell Active All Might Code. So this is a technology created to boost the skin's resilience, moisture, and vitality. Together, these components help improve the barrier, refine texture, and of course, brighten our overall tone. Why why this matters? Okay, strengthening the skin barrier helps protect against dryness and irritation. Smoother texture gives a more refined, youthful appearance, and brighter tone, of course, gives skin fresh and healthy glow. So when I didn't use Atomy products before, my main problem was that I have an uneven skin tone. So if you saw me, let's say maybe 6 years ago, my forehead is darker than my cheeks. And thanks to Atomy skincare products, now I could say that my skin tone is even. So right now, I didn't even put any makeup. I just put my sunscreen. I believe it was like at 2 p.m. And until now, as you can see, I can see my skin is still glowing and very, very good and has a very good texture. Now, we'll take a look closer at the Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask, its key functions, ingredients, and how to use it for better results. First is the volume. The mask comes in a 50 ml jar. This is a concentrated overnight treatment, so a little goes a long way. So can you imagine if you are also traveling? It's a 50 ml jar, so you can actually take it when you fly, when you take the airplane. And plus, this is very convenient because at night, if you feel that your skin is not so dry, you can just use just the Our Night Mask. Or if you feel that your skin is dry, you can apply Synergy Ampule, for example, and Absolute Nutrition Cream, whichever Atomy other creams you may have. You can mix it actually with our Atomy Night Mask. Now, the product has two main functions. First is it reduces wrinkles and brightening the skin. So this means that it supports both anti-aging and radiance, making it a dual benefit product. So as I've said, I have some tips when you use this product. So if you are using the Absolute Ampule or Synergy Ampule, apply the ampule after the toner, then finished with a 24K Gold Night Mask. This layering helps maximize the effects of the products. And for dry skin users, a tip is to apply your usual cream first. So the Absolute Nutrition Cream or maybe the Fame Nutrition Cream, and then use the night mask as your final step. What it does is it seals in moisture and ensures deep hydration through the night. So we have actually 3 viewers on Facebook. Hello, everyone. Oh, okay. So if you can give me a heart or a thumbs up if you're watching us, thank you very much for tuning in. Okay, and next slide. Now, on this slide, we're looking at what truly sets the Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask apart from ordinary sleeping mask. This is not just a hydrating mask, it is a complex mask. So it's again anti-aging treatment designed to improve the skin barrier, texture, and tone all at once. And this is also a night sleeping mask pack with 24K gold, real 24K gold that goes deep into our skin. So first, this is a night sleeping mask pack, meaning it works in alignment with your skin's natural nighttime repair. It delivers the power of 24K gold to tired, stressed skin, helping it recover from daytime and environmental exposure. The goal is to wake up looking refreshed as if you had a full night of deep rest, even if you didn't. Second is the mask uses the Visual Looming Bank Network system. So later on, we will be elaborating more on this network bank system. What does it do? But I will give you first a short description. So this creates a breathable gel-like network on the skin that holds moisture and gently releases hydration throughout the night. This ensures your skin stays continuously moisturized and without feeling heavy or suffocating. So let me just see. We have some message here on Zoom. Okay, thank you, Loredana. I just saw your message. Okay, and next one. Okay, so as you can see here, now I'm showing you some clinical results that has been conducted with our 24K Gold Night Mask. So let me just explain to you a bit about this clinical test. So before use, both groups start at similar texture level. As you can see, there were, I believe, some women amount of women in 2 groups they have tried this 24K gold night mask. So immediately after application, we already see improvement for the applied group, and after 12 hours, which includes approximately 6 or more hours of sleep, the improvement becomes even more pronounced. The numbers at the bottom show the improvement ratios. So as you can see here, okay, so this result is about the skin texture improvement. So the rate of skin texture improvement after using this product in 12 hours is 741%. 0.516%. Well, that is a very huge improvement. And we also have some other clinical results of the skin brightness improvement, as you can see here on my screen. The improvement rate is 469%. So that's also quite a lot of percentage after 12 hours of use. And as I've said a while ago, the Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask is also anti-wrinkle. So we also did a clinical test of the eye wrinkle improvement. And after 4 weeks of use, statistically significant improvement in eye wrinkles was seen. So the rate is 103.211%. So if you are experiencing, I know because nowadays we are actually, our jobs are very demanding. We are looking at our phones, at our screens for a long period of time. And sometimes we forget to stand up and drink water, right? So when we don't drink enough water, our skin also gets dry. So that's why we create, lots of wrinkles. If you see that you are already experiencing a lot of wrinkle under the eyes, especially for women, you could actually try this Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask at night for, let's say, 4 weeks. And then after 4 weeks, you will be able to see a significant improvement onto your eye wrinkles. Okay. So for myself, I don't really actually have a lot of eye wrinkles yet, but I make sure that from time to time, I also am using the Absolute Eye Complex, because Absolute Eye Complex is not only for around the eyes, but also for all of the skin where you see wrinkles. And as well as we have some clinical results for lifting improvement. So as we grow older, our skin tends to sag. But thanks to our absolute quality products, absolute quality skincare, this helps us improve, or we have what we call the lifting effect. So it lifts our skin. And the elasticity, our skin will also be elastic when we use our Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask. So even if someone, does this to you all the time, you're not going to be afraid that your skin will be sagging, because our products are very, very effective. But you have to wait at least 4 weeks. So don't rush yourself to see results right away, because once you use a new product, the new product takes time to adjust onto your skin. So wait at least 4 weeks before you will be able to see a significant result of the products. Now, there is also the clinical result of skin density improvement, moisture improvement, and of course, the skin defense barrier improvement, and as well as the soothing improvement for those who have sensitive skin. Okay, so we have been using it for 2 weeks and my skin is brighter and softer. Oh, thank you very much. iPhone, who is iPhone actually? Could you please let me know who is iPhone on our Zoom? So I could properly address you. Thank you. So as you can see here, for people with sensitive skin, before use, let's look at the first picture. Before use, it's like this, it's a bit reddish. A day after use, as you can see, it became more reddish, but 3 days after use, as you can see, the skin's texture has improved a lot since the day one. Okay, so as I've said, do not rush the result, because the result will come afterwards if we have patience. Okay, so patience is actually a virtue even with skincare. And here are the results of efficacy surveys. So what do people say about our products? So iPhone is okay. So thank you very much, Ate Rowena. iPhone is Teresita. Hi, Ate Teresita Torcelino, your best friend from London. Hello po. Good evening and welcome to our Zoom meeting. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. So here are the results of efficacy survey. So 95.65% says like it has a cheek lifting effect. 86.95% my skin density seems to have improved. My skin moisture seems to have improved. My skin seems to have become smoother. It applies well. My skin's elasticity seems to have improved. My skin seems to be more hydrated and the wrinkles around my eyes seems to have improved. So maybe let's do a challenge in our group. So whoever has some experiencing some wrinkles under the eye, I would advise you to use our Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask and let's see the improvement after 4 weeks. Now, let's take a look at the technology behind the 24K Gold Night Mask because you know Atomy already. You know, with our partners, we know Atomy. We are always very keen on the technology behind our products. So as you can see here on my screen, the slide explains how the visual looming bank network system works to create a clear glowing golden skin. That is really true. If you have tried our 24K Gold Night Mask, you will really see that your skin is glowing and golden. So, what is the main concept behind this technology? The system helped create clear and glowing skin. It does this through a high molecular network that stabilizes the 24K gold night code within the formula. So, in simple terms, for everyone to understand, this technology forms a structured, breathable film on the skin that locks in the moisture, the nutrients, and the 24K gold particles, allowing them to be absorbed gradually throughout the night. So there has been some questions like, oh, okay, if I have to put it at night, like the whole night, it might probably, mess my pillow. Actually, what I can advise you is when you apply your 24K gold night mask at night, allow it first to be absorbed by your skin. So do not go to bed like at least take like 15 minutes before you go to bed. Okay, so that it will not mess your pillow because by then your skin will already be absorbing the night mask. Now, the image on the left shows, as you can see here, the colored dots shows the high molecular network structure. So the blue dots means the moisturizing and hydrating ingredients, orange dots the active treatment ingredients, and the yellow dots the 24K gold ingredients. So these are held inside a network structure that sits comfortably onto the skin. So this network allows controlled delivery of moisture, as I've said, nutrients, and gold down into the skin while also preventing the product from feeling sticky or heavy. So you will actually not feel any stickiness. Now, the second main ingredient that has been included into our product is called saffron. Saffron is often called as the world's largest, or I'm sorry, world's most expensive spice. And it brings powerful benefits not only for the skin, but also for overall well being. What are the main benefits of saffron to our skin? So, saffron helps improve skin texture by enhancing sleep quality and mood. Since nighttime recovery depends heavily on sleep, this ingredient supports the skin from two directions through topical application and through its naturally calming properties. So there are two effects of this saffron water. The first one is it enhances the sleep quality and the second one is it improves the skin brightening and tone. So if you are experiencing an even skin tone like what I had 6 years ago, forehead is darker than my cheeks, I would really advise you to try a product that has saffron as an ingredient, like our Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask. And the next ingredient that has been included in our Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask is called the healing root. So this ingredient is known for helping protect the skin against a variety of external environmental stressors. So on the left, as you can see here, these represent common harmful factors affecting the skin health including, let's say, temperature changes, UV irritation, pollution, diet, cigarette smoke, stress, and lack of sleep. So the winter cherry root extract, this is also the other name for the healing root. It helps the skin cope with these stressors that I have just mentioned. And it supports the skin recovery from the stressors, and it has a limiting effect on the accumulation of oxidized proteins, which are linked to skin aging. It can also help protect skin from fine pollutants, and it reduces stress related hormone production, helping the skin remain balanced under external stress. So for those who has sensitive skin and maybe are wondering, can I actually use the Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask even if I have sensitive skin? Definitely. You can definitely use our Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask even if you are having sensitive skin. Now, I'm gonna be talking about the cell active all might code. So there are four key materials included in the formula. So the first is the Dormin technology. It supports slowing the appearance of aging by addressing growth factor reduction, which naturally begins after 20s because we are using we are losing some collagen onto our skin already after our 20s. There is also what we called the plant-based EGF, or what we call the epidermal growth factor, which helps promote skin regeneration. We also have Yosemite ferment filtrate. This is a fermented ingredient that supports skin vitality, and as well as the lupin protein, which helps stimulates the production of collagen and elastin by binding to cutinous receptors, by initiating signaling under our skin. So together with these four ingredients, these ingredients work synergistically to improve firmness, smoothness, and radiance of our skin. Also, our 24K Gold Night Mask has an eco-friendly refill system. So as you can see, well, unfortunately, the refill is not yet available under Atomy Europe Shopping Mall, but it is already available in Atomy Korea, for example. So when you have the refill, you don't actually need to buy the whole set anymore because you can just buy a refill, take it out from the golden tube or golden jar, and just put your refill onto the jar and use the Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask again. So how to use the product? After washing your face, cleanse your skin with a toner or mist and apply the Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask and make sure it completely covers your face. So actually, um, personally, I am not only using the 24K Gold Night Mask onto my face, but I also use it onto my neck. So if you are not so sensitive with cream onto your neck, I will also advise or suggest to you to use the 24K Gold Night Mask onto your neck if you're not so irritated with some creams while you are sleeping. Then second one is get a good night's sleep. The next morning, wash your face gently with warm water or lukewarm water. And just a tip, in the summer, store the Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask in the refrigerator to help lower your skin temperature and keep you cool all night long.